G'day everybody, welcome to the shed, Workshop Wednesday. Last week I made a statement that I thought celery top might have been my new favourite wood to cut, and it may be, but I thought my other previous favourite wood to cut, I have better woods I like to turn, but my favourite wood to cut was Silky Oak, and then I thought celery top might have pipped it because it cuts beautifully. So I thought, well, I need to put a bit of Silky Oak back on the lathe and just verify for myself if that is actually the case. So last week's video in real time went up yesterday. By the time this video goes up, if everything has gone to plan, I will have been to Melbourne and seen Dale's Holey Bowl demonstration at Pop Shed. Haven't indicated to Dale that I'm intending to go over, so hopefully it'll be a nice surprise for him. And I will, after this little intro, if I've been over there, I'll hopefully be able to pop up a photo or two. So welcome aboard. Let's have a go at doing this little Silky Oak bowl, and I will decide whether indeed Celery Top Pine is my new favourite or not. Now, last week celery top was an unknown for me. This week I'm working with a known quantity really, so I know that I can turn Silky Oak fairly quickly. So this will, unless something happens really interesting or funny, this will just be a real-time turning, and I'll probably yak away while I'm doing it. So half-inch spindle gouge. Cutting just to the left of the centre on the left wing. Face off the bottom there a little bit. And I'll mark for my tenon in a minute. Robbo used to say, just get rid of what you don't want as fast as you can. And Dale says the only cut that matters is the last one. And they're both right. So for the last cut, I'm just going to cut just on the right of centre. I'll either bring that down a little bit, or I'll make it slightly closed form. So we'll start at 120. So I think while I'm going here, I can definitely cut Silky faster than I can cut Celery Top. I don't know that it cuts better, actually. This is 180. And I'll finish with 240 if I can find it. Nice little bit of chatoyance coming up through there. I'll turn him around. Okay, so while I was turning it around having a look, there is a little crack just up. You may not be able to see it on camera, but it's just up here and it's running back in about 1/4 inch maybe. So I'm not going to make this a closed form. I'm just going to take the top off, get away from that crack. So that little skid back then was because I didn't quite have the face closed. I didn't really move the camera enough to give you a good shot coming in, but you can see there, that's where the crack was. So that bit's sound there, but the crack was coming into about there. Just a little bit more sanding here, and we will be good. So I think I'm just going by feel, but I'm almost certain it'll show up on the video. Silky Oak is a lot quicker to turn. I'm going to say that Celery Top is definitely a prettier wood, and it's very nice to turn. Yeah. So I did this so I could maybe decide if I really did like Celery Top more than Silky. I think I possibly do, but there's not much in it. Silky's very easy to turn, it's very forgiving. I haven't had issues with Celery Top, so I don't know if that's forgiving or not. There's some lovely colour in this too, like chatoyance there and there. It's beautiful. So it's difficult to say that it's... Yeah, that's a little bit pointy there, and I'll just... That's better. So yeah, nice little Silky Oak bowl. Have I got... No, I haven't really got enough. I'm not going to take the foot off because I'm too thin on the bottom to get the foot off it. So that's going to be a footed bowl. So here we have it, the little Silky Oak bowl. It's about 3.5 inches, just under 2 inches deep. Very pretty little bowl, some nice chatoyance. I left the foot on because I didn't leave myself enough thickness there to take it off. I didn't want to make a funnel, another Fubar Friday. I may have one of them in the can already from a couple of weeks ago. Just got to finish off the end of it because I swore a bit. Anyway, so there we have it, the little Silky Oak bowl. In a nutshell, I love Silky Oak because I can turn it really quickly, and it is a very pretty wood that sands well, takes a finish well, and it's a very nice wood to cut. Celery Top Pine is prettier. I think Celery Top Pine, after it's finished and takes a finish beautifully. I'll probably have to try a couple of different finishes on Celery Top just to see how it reacts to them. So yeah, I think Celery Top Pine has moved into the top 3 woods that I really like. Silky Oak's still in the same sort of position it was before. If I want to turn, or I need to turn a bowl quickly because I've left everything too late and I want to make something. And so if you see me turn a Silky Oak bowl, you know I've probably normally done it at the last minute. Anyway, thank you for coming along. Please like, subscribe, share, do all those nice things, and I will see you next week. So a little postscript at the end of the video. I did get over to see Dale in Melbourne, as you will have seen from the photos earlier. It was really good to watch him working a room. He works a room very well. and engages the crowd, and the demo was absolutely amazing. Got to spend some time with Dale after the demo. We went out for a quiet bevy. I'm not sure what time Dale finished. I did get a message the next day that indicated he was a little bit under the weather, but he seemed fine later that night. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, do all those nice things. I will whack a link to Dale's channel in the comments, because I'm sure, well, I know everything was videoed, so I'm sure at some point in the near future there will be a video come up of the demo at Pop Shed. Thanks to Pop Shed for putting it on. Thanks to Dale for the awesome demo. And I will see you next week.